Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go zoom it.
Hello and welcome guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, अगर आप लोग अपने Saturday और Friday की grand मस्ती से वापस आ गए हैं, so it's time कि we spend some Sunday evening listening to cool music. Well, that is why right here on Zoom It हम check out करेंगे अपनी first request for the day, which is तेरा रास्ता, जो dedicate किया है सईद हफीज ने for सईदा ज़ोहरा, and उनका message is, it is to forget someone who gave you so much to remember. I may fail, but I had loved her from the start. With you, it felt like, but I was going wrong. Just want to say that I loved you forever and ever. Missing you, your demon lover, Wahab. Demon lover. No wonder आपके मैसेज को पढ़कर मुझे थोड़ा डर लग रहा था. But you know what? इसे कहते हैं wild love. ऐसे love कैसा भी हो, है तो सच्चा. So this song goes out for your true love. Well, now it's time for another sweet tweet. So let's check it out. Well, it is by Jimmy Shergill, who has tweeted saying with old buddy. तो लगता है पुरानी मोहब्बतें थोड़ी ताज़ा हो रही है. लेकिन हम जरा अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखते हैं, which is a video request. So let's see.
Hi Nikita, my name is Devki and I would like to dedicate a song Bubbly Badmash to my best friend Urmi. It reminds me of all the badmashis that we did at all the house parties and which we will be continuing further.
Well, बबली की बदमाशी तो सबने देखी है, पर we wanna see कि आपने कौन सी बदमाशियाँ की हैं उन हाउस पार्टीज में. Well, जरा next time उन बदमाशियों की जरा वीडियो जरूर भेजना. For now, just enjoy this song. Well, after all these बदमाशीज, अभी I think एक ब्रेक लेने का टाइम हो चुका है. इसलिए आप लोग कहीं मत जाए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @zoomit.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, now let's just check out our next request, which is Tayab Ali, and it's dedicated by Pooja for Nitesh. And unka message is, hi, this is Pooja all the way from Kathmandu, Nepal. Zoom It is my favorite show and through this show I want to dedicate this song to my love and thank him for everything. And there we go. Pooja, I'm already a big fan of yours and I feel like love is already in the air today. So ये lovey-dovey song आप दोनों के लिए. Well, so it's time for our next sweet tweet, which happens to be by Pratik Bappar, and he has tweeted saying, Bappa and me wishing all peace, love, happiness and positivity. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Well, I hope with this Ganpati, everyone gets prosperous and happiness on their nose. But moving on, we are going to check out our next request on that note, which happens to be a video request. So let's see.
Hi, my name is Yash Patlia, and I want to dedicate the song Lungi Dance for my school friends because we do a lot of crazy stuff whenever we meet and I have a lot of memories with my school friends, so I would like to dedicate the song to my school friends. Thanks a lot.
Well, ये गाना है ही काफी मस्त to remind you of all the fun days you spent. So on that note, I think हमें ये गाना सुनना चाहिए and remember some fun moments we've had with our friends. I think after listening to Lungi Dance, हम सबका मन करता है कि we should just stand up and start dancing. तो ये जो अभी dancing mood बना है, I'm not going to change that because हमारी जो अगली request है, it's somewhere close to that. It is R.A. जो request किया है कंगना ने for Anjani and उनका message is, hi, your voice is perfect for this song as it's so sweet and तुम तो एक बहुत अच्छी singer हो और हमारी दूसरी friend dancer है और मैं तो बीच में फंस गई. हमारी फ्रेंड एक डांसर तो एक गवैया और हम बीच में फंस गए भैया. Well said. But you know what? I think जिस तरह से आपने describe किया है कि one friend singing and the other friend dancing, I think it's going to be superb to watch. तो आप दोनों को ये करना चाहिए. Till then, me and you can sit and watch them do this. But next time एक वीडियो जरूर भेजना. Well, I think अब डांसिंग बहुत हो गई. एक ब्रेक का वक्त तो हो चुका है. तो आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, मुझसे बातें करते रहिए और माय ट्विटर हैंडल @zoomit.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. Well, now it's time for another sweet tweet. So let's see. We have Sushmita Sen, who has tweeted saying, "Beautiful people, I personally believe point 2 and 3 take care of the rest. They do for me." Powerfully said. Well, काफ़ी डीप ट्वीट है ये सुष्मिता का. अब इतना इंटेंस और डीप हम बात कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक हमारा जो नेक्स्ट गाना है that should also be a little on those lines, right? So well, our next song is तुमसे ही, जो रिक्वेस्ट किया है अतुल ने for ईशाना and उनका मैसेज is, always listen to your heart, it is calling for love. The more you let your heart feel this beautiful emotion and add more love to it, the happier you will be and the more you will smile. Let yourself shine today, share your happiness, share the love. Oh my god, that is a lot of ज्ञान. लेकिन मैं इतना ज्ञान नहीं दूंगी. All I'm going to do is keep it short and simple and say, guys, just be happy and I think you'll love everything around you. Well, अब प्यार की बातें तो बहुत हुई. Going back to friendship, we have to check out our next request, which is तुम ही हो बंधु. It is requested by Shweta for Anusha and उनका message is, My dear Anu, everyone has that one friend जिसपे तुम रात को 4 बजे भी कॉल कर सकते हो. You are that friend of mine. So this song is the symbol of our friendship यार. Enjoy the song. सही बात है. हर एक की लाइफ में एक फ्रेंड ऐसा जरूर होता है जिसको we can call up at any time of the day. So I think we should feel blessed कि हम सबकी लाइफ में एक ऐसा फ्रेंड है and ये song उन्हीं सब फ्रेंड्स के लिए dedicated. I think we haven't had enough yet. हमें और फ्रेंडशिप की बातें करनी है इसीलिए because our next request is हर एक फ्रेंड and let's check out the request.
My name is Nuren Motiwala. I want to dedicate हर एक फ्रेंड कमीना होता है to my friend साजिद for क्योंकि उसने मेरे साथ हर एक ऐसी चीज़ें की है कमीनेगिरी एक्चुअली में जो मेरे को अभी तक मैं सोचता हूँ तो मुझे खून जलता है. इसके लिए मैं अपने फ्रेंड को हर एक फ्रेंड कमीना होता है डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगा.
Well, फ्रेंड्स तो पैदा ही ऐसी हरकतें करने के लिए हुए होते हैं, लेकिन अगर फ्रेंड्स जो है वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही खून खोलने वाली हरकतें कर रहे हैं तो आपने गाना तो डेडिकेट कर दिया, अब ज़रा उनकी थोड़ी पिटाई करो. Well guys, now it's time for another break. लेकिन break के बाद we have some more songs coming up. तो आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए because you have to keep chit chatting with me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Hello again guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, right now with us we have a big fan of Aditya Roy Kapoor. If you don't believe me, check this request out.
Hi everybody, my name is Prachi and I would like to listen to Sun Raha Hai Na Ro Raha Hu Main and I am dedicating this song to Aditya Roy Kapoor, the actor who looks absolutely yummy in that song. And आपके बड़े भाई की शादी हो गई है, प्लीज आप कब कंसिडर कर रहे हो शादी करना, और अगर कर रहे हैं प्लीज स्वयंवर रचाइए because I am going to be the first person present to be present there. So this song goes to you Aditya. I love you. Bye.
Well, अगर उनका रियल में स्वयंवर हो तो I can just imagine क्या लाइन लगने वाली है, लेकिन वो तो बात की बात है. For that Aditya needs to agree. For now you can enjoy your yummy Aditya song. Well, now it's time for a tip for you guys. ये मैं नहीं, it's Sonakshi Sinha giving it to y'all. Well, check out what she tweets. She has tweeted saying, stress-busting tip: get your fingers bitten off after a hard day's work by a naughty, hyperactive puppy. Well, I think that's the secret of you staying so stress-free. लेकिन हमारी secret अभी ये है कि we are going to check out our next song. It's Shuddh Desi Romance, which is dedicated by Shaya Rajat to Amrut, and उनका message is, that was the thing about best friends. Like sisters and mothers, they could piss you off and make you cry, break your heart. But in the end, when the chips were down, they were there making you laugh even in your darkest hours. वैसे आज फ्रेंडशिप को लेकर सब लोग काफी सेंटी हो रहे हैं, but that's okay. After all, friends होते ही ऐसे हैं. And only if this song was Shuddh Desi friendship, but then that's also fine because romance begins with friendship only, so that's allowed. So well guys, अब friendship romance की काफी बातें हो गई and now with this it's a wrap. लेकिन जाने से पहले I have to remind you to keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/GoZoomIt and of course अपनी video request भी जरूर भेजिएगा on gozoomit@gmail.com and don't forget to keep chit chatting with me on my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt. This is your social jockey Nikita saying goodbye. I'm gonna see you next week, same time, same place. So till then, don't just like it, go zoom it.
Go zoom it.